Namaste children. Now let me continue the IT applications. IT in banking. Every activity of a bank is online now. Bank customers are using ATM for deposits and withdrawal or to view the current balance. Online transactions are done using internet for recurring deposit, fixed deposit and money transfer from one account to another account using NEFT payment and RTGS payment. The customer's data and transaction are recorded by computers. IT in insurance. Insurance companies maintaining the up-to-date records with the help of computer database. Insurance company website is providing the purchase of online policies. IT in marketing. In marketing, computers are used for advertising of products. Using the arts and graphics facility in computers, we can create attractive advertisement. It will help to sell the products easily. It increases the sales too. Using e-commerce websites, we can purchase items even sitting in home. IT in healthcare. IT is used in the health sector in numerous ways. The variety of measuring instruments and surgical equipments are used to monitor patients' conditions during complex surgery. It is an integral part of laboratories and dispensaries. Use of ICT in diagnosis. Using expert system, diseases can be diagnosed at the early stages and the patients can be given treatment accordingly. CAT, computerized axial tomography machine. Using this machine, three-dimensional images of different parts of the body can be made. These images are helpful in the diagnosis of diseases. Next one is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of internal organs of the body by using strong magnetic fields and radio waves. ECG machine. The ECG machine is used to monitor the heartbeat. CSM, cardiac screening machine. This machine displays the physiology of the heart and it displays the movements inside the heart. Through this machine, it is possible to diagnose problems of the heart such as thinning of veins and then recommend treatment. Next one is EEG. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. The small electrical probes attached to the head receive the electrical impulses of the brain and display them on a computer screen. This device can retrieve the data in both states where a patient is awake or asleep. Next one is blood sugar testing machine. This device analyzes a sample of blood and determines the blood glucose level. Next one is blood pressure measuring machine. This device, which is worn as a wristband, can measure the blood pressure of a person at rest or he is involved in some physical activity. Next topic is IT in the government and public service. Government uses large scale computer applications and encourages e-governance practices. Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are best example of this. Government and non-governmental organizations like NGOs as well as international government agencies use ICT applications to communicate and provide various services to the people and is called as e-governance. Electricity bills can now be paid online. The income tax department, sales tax department, preparations of voters list, preparation of PAN card makes use of the computer system. The government uses electronic voting for elections. So computers are commonplace in modern society. Information technology has become one of the basic requirements of the modern society. Is it not, children? Okay. Let me end up the lesson, children. So far, what are the topics we learned, children? We learned the definitions of IT, ITES, BPO and BPM, and the various areas of IT applications. Have you all downloaded the textbook, children? If not, download it. I gave already the link. Use that and download it, children. After reading the lesson, answer the assignment also. I attached the assignment along with this video. Okay, after reading the lesson, answer the assignment. Don't forget, children. Thank you, children.